The next part of this three-part series is installing a remote control. The remote controls are both speed controls and light dimmer controls. Comes in three parts: your transmitter, your receiver, and then it also comes with the pack of wire nuts. In this first part of the installing the remote control, you have to take the canopy down. So just loosen your screws, turn the canopy, it'll come down. Make sure your wires are loose out of your canopy. Next, you want to take your transmitter. It's important that you make sure to put the transmitter in with the flat side up. So if you'll notice, the transmitter has a bevel. So you move your wires out of your way. It is okay for the antenna to stick out of the canopy a little bit so it can receive the signal. So you want to move your colored wires that are going to match up to the transmitter, or to the receiver, excuse me, on the right side. So you slide your receiver in. It goes between the brackets. Like so. So now you have your wires coming in, your power in and your power out to control. Once you've done that, you wire your wires together, blue to blue, white to white, and then black to black. Now you just put your wire connectors on. Once you have all your wire connectors on, you tuck your wires away. Once you have your wires tucked away into the junction box, you slide your canopy back up, and you can see the beveled part of the control matches the canopy. You slide it up, lock it into place, and tighten your screws back down on your canopy to lock it in. Now that your remote control is installed, you simply open the back, take your 9-volt battery, attach it, and you're all set to go. And that's installing a remote control on a ceiling fan.